So the court shall proceed with the ruling.
My lord.
Applicants filed this motion on 17th November 2021, pursuant to Order 16. Just a moment. Pursuant to Order 16, Rule 1, 4, and 5, Sub-Rule 2 of the rules of this court, and the motion prays for the following orders. Order entering summary judgment against the defendant respondent as per the relief stated in the complaint and statement of material facts dated 16th November 2021. The motion prays for the following orders. An order entering summary judgment against defendant respondent as per the relief stated in the complaint and statement of material facts dated 16th November 2021, attached and marked as exhibits ZSHASC7, and for such further orders as court may deem fit to make in circumstances of this case. The grounds upon which the application is brought as seen on the face of the motion paper. In support of the application is an affidavit of 39 paragraphs deposed by the first claimant applicant, Honorable Kabiru Dauda Fas, alongside 14 exhibits marked as exhibits ZSHASC 1 to 7. We have A, B, C, and so on and so forth. Applicants also filed written address in support of application wherein a loan issue for determination was formulated, to wit, whether in all the circumstances of this case, defendant respondents have a good defense to the claim of the claimant applicants. Learned counsel to applicants submitted the exhibits annexed to the affidavit in support of the application for summary judgment contains express admission by the first and fourth respondents, and that the applicants are entitled to be paid severance gratuities upon determination of their first appointment and furniture allowance upon their reappointment, and also that respondents do not have a defense. Particular reference was made to exhibit ZSHASC 6, which is the letter of demand to the respondent, wherein the applicant's counsel contended that the respondent's silence to the letter of demand of the applicant amounts to admission by conduct, and consequently deemed to have admitted being indebted to the applicant. He cited Basel and Stem, amongst other cases. Consequently, applicant's counsel urged court to resolve the issue in favor of the applicant. In response, respondent filed a 29-paragraph counter affidavit dated 11th day of January 2022 and deposed by Abdullah Mohammed, a litigation secretary in the chambers of the Attorney General of Zamfara State. On date slated for hearing of the application for summary judgment, respondents failed to appear. Thus, the court invoked the provision of Order 45, Rule 5 of its rules and deemed the written address in support of respondents' counter affidavit as adopted. In respondents' written address, learned counsel representing respondents formulated a loan issue for determination thus, whether or not this court can exercise its discretionary power to allow defendants defend the suit on merits, regard being had that the defendants filed their statement of defense. Submitting in the affirmative, respondents' counsel stated that the respondents have complied with provisions of Order 16, Rule 4 of the rules of this court, and also that respondents have a good defense and not to be permitted to defend the suit. Respondents' counsel further submitted a refusal to grant respondent leave to defend will amount to a denial of their right to fair hearing. He cited Section 36, Sub 1, 1999 Constitution, Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. Respondents therefore urge court to allow them defend this suit. Now the resolution of court. I have considered the processes and submissions of learned counsel to both sides and have distilled a sole issue for determination thus, whether the applicants are entitled to summary judgment. Summary judgment procedure, which is akin to the undefended list procedure, envisages a situation where a party can obtain judgment, especially where there can be no reasonable doubt that the claimant is entitled to judgment, and where it will be inexpedient to allow a defendant to defend for the mere purpose of delay. See Lewis and UBA PLC, 2016, 6 NWLR, part 1508, 329, and 349, paragraph G to H. Thus, the summary judgment procedure is applicable to every claim once the claimant believes there is no defense to his claims. See also that 16 Rule 1 of the rules of this court. For this type of judgment, the court will consider the contents of the pleadings, the motions for and possibly against, and evidence adduced. This allows for speedy disposition of a matter without the need for trial. See APAN and AIP and Investment Company Limited, 2013, 12 NWLR, part 1368, 377, Supreme Court. The relevant provision for summary judgment in the rules of this court is Order 16 Rule 1, which provides thus: where the claimant believes that there is no defense to his claim, an application for summary judgment supported by an affidavit stating the grounds for the belief shall be filed along with the originating process. The application shall be accompanied with the statement of facts, any exhibits, and a written brief, unquote. Order 16 Rule 14 further provides that where a party served with the processes and documents referred to in Rule 1 of this order intends to defend the action, such a party shall not later than the time prescribed for defense file a statement of defense, documents to be used in defense, a counter affidavit and written brief in reply to the application for summary judgment, and D, written statement or note of all witnesses listed to be called by the defendant, other than witnesses to be subpoenaed. From my perusal of the court's record, parties are in compliance with the above provisions. It is therefore duty of this court to determine whether the respondents have a good defense. In arriving at this conclusion, all that the court has to put into consideration is whether the respondent has a prima facie defense, and that the respondents have shown that there are triable issues or questions. See Adebisi McGregor Assurance Limited and NNB Limited, 1996, 7 NWLR, part 431, 378, equally Okamba Limited and Suli, 1990, 11 SCNG at 1. Accordingly, I have painstakingly perused the claims of the applicants herein, vis-a-vis the counter affidavit and statement of defense of respondents, and I'm convinced that the respondents have a tribal issue. It is tried that the summary judgment procedure is not designed to shut out a defendant respondent who has shown that there is a tribal issue. See Okamba Limited and Sule Supra. Thus, having held that respondents to this application have shown that there is or are tribal issues, this application is refused and hereby dismissed. Matter is therefore moved to the general court list and ruling is hereby entered. So we'll give you a date for definite hearing. Hold on. Okay. Yes, ma'am. 10th of May.
It's convenient, my lord. Of May is a Friday. Is it something? 10th of May.
Matter is further adjourned to 10 days of May 2023 for definite hearing. Hearing notice shall be issued and served
My
on
lord.
the claimant's counsel.
10, my lord.
Case
10th
adjourned
of
to 10th day of May. Are you sleeping, Gidado?
no, we are not sleeping, my lord. The network is not good.
The case is adjourned to 10th day of May 2023 for definite hearing.
As court pleases, ma'am.
Hearing notice is ordered to be issued and served on the claimant's counsel.
As court pleases, my lord.
Yes, call the next case, Gidado.
NICN/SK/02/2022. Bashar Balawala by SS Kaduna Electricity Distribution Company Limited for further mention.
Yes, parties.
That is absent, my lord. But they are online.
Sorry?
They are not in court. The party is not in court, but it's online.
Okay. Do we have any of the parties online?
Yes, my lord.
Which one?
I saw them. They muted their listing, their system.
They are not there. I can't see anyone there.
Look at them online, my lord. Him and his lawyer.
Yes, my lord. My lord, we are online.
Okay. All right. Okay. Appearance. So which party is there?
The claimant, my lord.
The claimant.
Yes, my lord.
Claimant is present.
The claimant is
absent. Yes,
my lord, the
appearance.
claimant is
Yes, it's on record.
my lord, may it please the hearing of my noble lord. My name is Usman Abba Tukur.
What's the spelling of your Abba?
ABBA, my lord.
Okay. Yes, for claimant.
Yes, my lord.
How about the defendant's counsel?
My lord, he's not online, and we talked to him even today in the morning. He asked me he did not see the code. I sent it for him, but I did not see him online.
Was there any hearing notice served on them?
Yes, my lord, electronically. I served him.
Yes, claimant's counsel, since the defendant's counsel is aware of today's date, so the court will proceed accordingly. Yes, Tukur.
At the court please. My lord, on the last adjourned date,
yes,
the court had ordered the matter to be converted to complaint, my lord, and directed parties to file and extend pleadings.
yes.
My lord, in compliance with the order of this honorable court,
yes,
we have filed our complaint on the 18th of January 2023, my lord.
yes.
And the defendant had been served on the 27th of January 2023, my lord.
Yes, counsel.
And my lord, up to now, we have not received the defense of the defendants.
And they are still within time.
They are still within time. Yes, my lord.
Mm.
They are still within time.
So we'll still adjourn because we will adjourn for definite hearing.
At the court, please. At the court, please, my lord.
The same, we have the same 10th of May.
At the court, please.
Okay. So the matter is further adjourned to 10th day of May 2023 for definite hearing.
At the court, please. We are grateful, my lord.
The claimant's counsel shall prepare witness accordingly. All pleadings shall be duly filed and exchanged before the next hearing date.
At the court, please.
Hearing notice is equally ordered to be issued and served on defendant's counsel.
At the court, please. Thank you, my noble lord.
All right.
That's good.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That will call the next case.
NICN/SK/16/2018. Dr. Anthony Okudili Mbabu versus Medicine Science Volunteers for adoption of final written addresses.
Do we have any of the parties online or in court?
No, my lord.
Are you in the matter counsel? No, hold on. I'm asking of the parties. Okay.
Parties absent, my lord.
Yes, I have a counsel here in Abuja before me. So appearance. Are you for the claimant counsel?
No, my lord, for the defendant.
Okay. Yes, appearance. Gidado, any counsel there in court?
No, my lord. As of last time, I saw Barrister Shaka online. Now he called me and asked me about the matter. I don't know whether he's going to. He did not file any application for change of counsel or anything else, my lord.
We had
So he just
one
called and asked me.
Idigbe for the defendant or last. You are for the claimant. Okay, for defendant. So okay, so it's the claimant counsel that is not. Yes. Hold on. Sorry.
I said that matter for the BT Azza, my lord.
Gidado, what are you saying?
I said is that matter for BT Azza, my lord. The BT Azza.
Just hold on. You are not the counsel. There's a counsel in court trying to say something. Yes, counsel, what's the issue?
Okay.
That's the defendant. Oh, okay. So let me put you on record. Announce your appearance.
May I please, my lord, I am Jesse Shaka. I am now counsel appearing for the claimant. in replacement of BT Yaza.
JC Shaka.
Yes, my lord. I appear for the claimant.
For claimant. Okay, yes, defendant counsel.
Claimant. My learned friends appearing with me are M. Salahuddin Esquire. M. Salahuddin Esquire and A. Kaura. M. Salahuddin.
Where are they?
They are here, sir.
Salahuddin.
M. Salahuddin and A. Kaura. For the claimant, sir.
Yes, next time, Salahuddin, please, since you are appearing before the court, you should be properly roped.
Escort, please.
Right.
Sorry, sir.
Defendant counsel, announce your appearance.
Respectfully, my lord, I.O. Idigbe for the defendant.
Yes, counsel.
Yes, my lord, this matter was adjourned to today for adoption of written addresses by parties.
Yes.
Till this moment, we regret to inform your lordship that addresses have not been filed and exchanged between the parties.
Yes.
The defendant who is supposed to file first, the address has not filed. So the claimant has not been served with any.
Yes, Ibe.
Yes, my lord, the position is correct and we apologize, my lord. However,
Yes.
we are currently filing our final address as we speak.
Yes.
And we will immediately take steps to get it served on the claimant's counsel.
So you know you are out of time.
Yes,
so you
my
do
lord. We
the
also
needful.
have attached the motion for extension of time and paid the cost, my lord.
All right. Yes, so we'll give a date for adoption.
Yes, my lord.
Within which the defendant counsel, all the processes would have been filed and exchanged between counsels. So you are to file and serve on the defendant.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, and the defendant, the time for the defendant starts running from when he receives your
The
process.
claimant, my lord.
The claimant, I'm sorry.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, the time for the claimant starts running from when he receives your process. That's a Shaka.
Yes, my lord.
Upon service on you of the claimant's final written address, the defendant will have 7 days for reply on point of law where necessary. So we'll give you a date for adoption.
My lord, I would have been more comfortable, sir, if this that time is regularized, because it has been left open-ended and defense have not filed any.
Yes, okay, thank you, counsel.
Yes, we do not have any
defendant
problem
counsel,
with the
yes,
application first.
I'm aware, Shaka, and that's why the counsel is filing along, and that's why the court had to bring it to attention, filing along with the motion for extension of time. But then I will give a very short date for the adoption because this had lingered on for quite some time. So you should be able to file and serve within this month. Yeah, so if you are already filing, so I think you should be able to serve him. All right. Yeah, Shaka, except you want to abridge your time, because upon service on you, even if I give her a period to file and to serve, you except you apply to abridge the time, because you have 21 days from when you are being served. Do you want to apply to abridge?
I will file within 7 days upon being served.
Okay, I'll put you on record. So upon service,
yes.
Okay, you file within 7 days.
Within 7 days, yes, sir.
All right. Yes, so where is the court registrar? So he said 7 days. Defendants, you file and serve within 7 days. Yes, so that's 14 and plus another 7 days for reply on point of law. So can you calculate that? Yes, so what dates do we have now?
10th of March, 10th of March, we are not sitting on Friday.
Let me see it. And see it. Yes, 10th of March.
Very well.
For adoption. Is it?
10th of March. 10th.
Yes, Shaka. 10th. Yes.
It's okay, sir.
All right.
It's convenient.
All right. This has stayed for long.
For adoption.
So the case is further adjourned and upon agreement of both counsel to 10th day of March 2023 for adoption of final written addresses.
That's covenant. Very grateful, sir.
All right, thank you, Shaka.
That's fine.
Yes, Gidado, call the next case.
NICN/SK/16/NICN/SK/24/2019. Tukur Mohammed Magani and 48 others by Zamfara State Government and 3 others.
Do we have any of the parties online or in court?
Two parties in court, my lord. Is it the
Where are they? Okay, I can see them. So who are they? Because we have so many of the claimants. Who are they?
We have first and 13th.
Okay, first and 13th claimants. Tukur
Yes,
Mohammed. Tukur Mohammed. Ashiru Isaka. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Defendants absent. Yes, appearance. Any counsel in court or
Yes,
online?
Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. With utmost responsibility, my noble Lord, M.S. Suleiman, DCL.
Hold on. Okay, you are in
Your
court there. Okay. Yes. Are you appearing with any counsel?
Yes, Your Lordship. With M.L. Abdullahi.
Okay, thank you, counsel.
For the respondent, for all the defendant, Your Lordship.
How about claimant's counsel?
My lord, they said he's on his way to court, but
Yes, we had Nafi, so he was in court on the last date that this he was present on the last hearing date. So court shall proceed accordingly. Yes, Suleiman. Defendant's counsel, yes, Suleiman. Gidado.
yes, my lord.
Where is counsel?
Yes.
My noble Lord.
Yes. The claimant's counsel was present in court on the last day hearing date, so you can proceed
Yes.
accordingly.
Your Lordship, the matter is to the
matter is for what?
My lord. Adoption.
Adoption of final written address.
Yes.
My lord, our defendant final written address dated.
Have you filed and served?
Yes, Your Lordship, you have filed and served.
Hold on.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Just hold on. Yes, Gidado, were you in touch with counsel? Any correspondence from counsel? The claimant's counsel? Gidado? Yeah, offline.
Yes, my lord.
Any correspondence from counsel?
Yes, my lord. The issue is the reply, claimant reply to the dependent final written address. So,
I said, did the counsel inform you why he's not present in court?
Yes, he said he is on his way.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
So can we just, in the interest of justice, just stand it down?
He is in court, myself, my lord.
Yes, you see, so that's why I don't want to rush. He's already in court, yes. Since he already called you that he was on his way. Yes, counsel, please announce your appearance.
I am A.M. Dole. I'm for the claimant.
You are who?
A.M. Dole. A.M. Dole.
Okay, Dole, you are the one, yes. Yes?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so since you are in court now, so we can proceed with the adoption. You have two motions, Dole. I can say you have two motions, so you have to tell the court which of the motions the court you want the court to take, because they are both the same. You have two motions to regularize, so you can't keep both motions. So which one are you taking, and which one do you want to apply to get, which one are you withdrawing?
We must have moved that motion.
Are you sure?
Yes.
The last agenda that I was not here. Abuja, so
You were not, okay, just hold on, let's refer to the records. It was Nafiu Bello that appeared for the claimant on the last date. Yes, Bashima, come and check, please. Was there any motion? No? There are two applications before the sponsor properly. I think they will have, they come over here. I think it was moved, that was on the 30th November. He said, Dole, we have a motion to regularize final written address. No objection. Application was filed this for extension of time. That's advantage. Okay, so I can confirm from the records that that application has been moved. Yes, it was moved on 30th day of November 2022. So you can proceed with the adoption then, Suleiman.
Thank you, madam. Before we adopt, we have two documents that we would like to turn that from the back.
Sorry? Barnabas. Go and call Sarah. Because we know this is
Madam, what do you get? You get.
Yes, Suleiman.
Your Lordship, we are ready to adopt our final written address.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the client have to start because we don't let evidence.
Okay, all right.
The client to start not to because we don't let evidence.
All right, thank you. Yes, Dole.
My lord, this document are already pleaded in the statement of claim, and only that the CTC of the document that we have done, we don't have the CTC of the document until now. That is why, yes, that is why now we said we can tender them to the back. We are ready to give you. Yes. Yes. No, I'm not. Look at the reply. We are finding reply today. Reply to our response.
You file your reply, give a motion to file your reply today. You're
No,
out of time.
no, we're not.
You're out of time.
We're not.
You are.
I will have to stand down. Yes, sir. Yes. take the argument and will not adopt. I'll give a date for it. Yes, sir. You see what they are.
Pleaded.
Yes, Dole.
My lord.
You said you had no CTC there and you intend to tender through the bar. That's yes. Which documents are those? And we'll hear from the defendant counsel as well. So go ahead and make your submission. Gidado, the network is off again.
All right.
Yes, okay, go ahead and make your submission.
My lord, is just two documents. One is the judgment of honorable court.
Sorry?
One is the judgment of the honorable court in Honorable Kabiru Sahabi Liman and two others, and the Forest government and one other.
Yes.
Then the other one is the Forest government revised remuneration package for political, public, and judicial office holders in the state.
The other one is what?
My lord.
What is the other document? You said the first one is a judgment of
the other document is the Zamfara State government revised remuneration package for political, public, and judicial office holders in the state, March 2007. These are the two documents we heavily rely on in the statement of claim and written address. And they were all pleaded.
You say for March when?
March 2007, my lord.
You said the documents are pleaded?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Suleiman. Defendant counsel. Network. Yes, defendant counsel. Sarah, let's look at the documents he's referring to. He said they were pleaded. Yes, defendant counsel, please, are you still there? I said one is judgment of this court and the other is the Zamfara State Government remuneration package for political office holders, March 2007. That's for claimant. So let's check it if it's pleaded. I'm sure maybe they were front loaded. So I haven't checked from the documents. Yes, Gidado. I want to hear from the defendant. He's subjecting, let's hear his grounds. Call Topel. It's still, it's from their end. I'm still connected. Yes, Suleiman.
My noble Lord, we object to the gender of the document at this stage.
Yes.
This is because Your Lordship, it's among the claimant are opening their case.
No.
After closing the case, among them are opening their case.
Please come again, counsel.
And so we oppose the tender of the document because it's among the plaintiff is opening, the claimant opening their case.
Yes.
Because they ought to have tendered this document before up to this stage.
Okay.
And the law does not allow overreaching.
Yes.
So the fact that I believe that Your Lordship to discontinue a special protocol because it was tendered at the same address, and this is overreaching and allow amount to the claimant opening their case.
All right.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I think we have to. Just hold on, counsel. Yes.
Madam, these documents are relevant. Relevancy is the cross in admitting or rejecting.
Hold on, Dolly. I want to put you on record. Yes.
Thank you, madam.
Yes, Dolly.
My lord, these two documents we want to tender are specifically pleaded and are relevant.
Yes.
They are relevant. And the relevancy is the cross in admitting or rejecting a particular document.
Yes.
My lord, we urge the court to discontinence with the submission by my learned brother and to allow this document because the document is relevant.
All right, just hold on.
Thank you.
Yes, counsel, we may have to stand down and do a bench ruling. They are offline again. And this is the basis of the calculation. Come and check. And you didn't apply. If you had applied, I also make you reduce. And just come like that and you want to take that. Yes, Gidado. Yeah, maybe it's from their end, because we are still connected. Let's wait to hear so that we tell them we'll stand up. What time do we give them? 12 is okay. Even if we are still on the other matters, we will stand and can even It's a call my Lord kind, but if you can make peace on the side. From the back. We have looked at the document, they have concluded their yes, and we have seen that they are relevant. Yes. Because it gives a calculation of the claims, yes, of the claims. So these are the yes, to consider. So you can go and see it. Yes, Gidado. Please tell Sarah, they should call them that we can't, they are not connected again, but we are connected. We are connected, they are not connected. Once you are connected, Abby, they are still connected from their end. That's why I say we should sit 9. Is that 9 o'clock that is appropriate? Before 12, you know, the place network wouldn't have been so busy. And based on Fatah said you didn't send anything to him, so we have to. O'clock. Oh, it's 9 o'clock. I said. Yes, Gidado.
My Lord.
Yes, Dole, you said yes. You have said the document is relevant and pleaded. Gidado.
All the police sentinels to the submission of my learned friend.
Okay, you said it should be this. So we'll stand down the matter 12 o'clock for ruling.
Thank you.
Passport places.
So you have to call the next case.
NICN/SK/06/2019. Solomon wants to by Mr. Donatus Atoyi and other for defense, my Lord.
Yes, parties.
Parties absent, my Lord.
Means we cannot go. Yes, any counsel?
No, my Lord, the other council, he filed the motion, we sent it to Abuja, which we served the claimant council and they refused to collect it. We filled the affidavit of service and send it down to Abuja. So the matter has been.
Yes, I notice, is it the one that is SK16 or is it SK6 or 16?
SK6.
Okay, 6.
SK6, 06.
Okay, hearing notices on parties. Any counsel? No counsel now.
No, my Lord, yes. Even for the last sitting, you asked me to serve them. So when we send our belief there, they refused to collect. We fill the affidavit of service and we send it down to Abuja, my Lord. The affidavit of service is for you, my Lord.
But she might come and confirm the affidavit of service. The affidavit is not clear. You didn't say hearing for matter to come up when? Huh? Yes, Gidado, you said affidavit, yes. Is it for non-service or for service?
Yes, my lord, for both, my lord. We have several times you asked us to serve them.
Is
It's
it
almost
for the
5
matter
sitting,
coming up today? For the matter coming up today? Please, the hearing, is there any hearing notice for today?
For the claimant, my lord. They are only respondent, my lord,
For
as
the
of the last
claimant, for both parties, not for claimants. On the last date, it was nil, no appearances.
Yes, my lord.
So where is the hearing notice?
Yes, we served them electronically, and the other one that we went there to serve even the process, they refused to collect. They said they were calling the respondents.
Do you have the proof of service? Do you have the proof of service?
Where is the affidavit? The affidavit of 4th of November. No, what's today? 4th of November against which date of hearing? So why is it not there? They didn't put it. So you can't say there's service. This now to prepare affidavit of service. You now indicate. Yes, Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
The other one, I can't take it as a proof of service because even in that affidavit of service, there's no disclosure to the fact that the service is for the matter for today, 9th of February. There's nothing on that affidavit of service to show that that is the matter. The affidavit of service is meant to notify that person that the matter is coming up today. There's nothing like that.
Yes,
so
my lord.
I can't take it as a service of process.
My lord. The issue here is the claimant counsel, was dead. It was BT Azar. So when the other party, we called this thing Ibrahim. He told us he don't have anything to do with the matter. Why? Because he was looking for the party, and the party was not even responding. He was calling him for several times.
I got your point, please. But what I'm saying is that this affidavit of service does not show anything there that the matter is coming up today. So the bailiff ought to have deposed to that I served him on so day for matter coming up today, 9th of February. I hope you can understand me clearly.
Yes, my lord.
So there's nothing in that affidavit to show that that affidavit was deposed regarding today's matter. I hope you are clear.
I understand, my lord, but the issue is when we start the processes. So he said he don't have anything to do with the matter. So that is why we see, even if we serve him, he will not go respond. He said he don't have.
You still have not understood me. Forget about him saying he has nothing to do with the matter. Is it in your affidavit of service that this service is meant? Matter coming up today on the 9th of February. There's nothing there. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So nothing there to show that this service is for matter coming up today. So you go back and serve them again, and we adjourn the matter. You serve them, and maybe you explain to him later that he has to show that this service for matter coming up on so date. It's not there. Nothing shows. It's empty.
Yeah, we have that one in my phone electronically.
You have it on your phone.
Yes, my lord.
For both parties.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord. Right. So I want that. You send it. You find a way to send it to me because you are the court registrar. You have confirmed that there's proof of service electronically. So you find a way to send that to us.
I will forward it to Barnabas right now, my lord.
Yes, so send it to Ms. Bashima or Barnabas, please. Thank you. So it's confirming that there was service on all the parties. Thank you, Egidado. So there's proof of service electronically. Yes, having confirmed the proof of service of hearing notice on the parties, the court will still order, just for its records, for the court officer in the Sokoto division to ensure that the one that was served electronically is printed and transmitted to the Abuja division for the records of the court. Meanwhile, since there's no reason given by either of the parties or even counsel for the absence in court, and they having confirmed that they served with hearing notices or hearing notice of today, the case is hereby struck out for want of diligent prosecution in line with the provisions of the rules of this court. Yes, Gidado, call the next case, please. Gidado, call the next case. Tell him I can't hear him. He's talking, but I can't hear him. And he's calling the case, but I can't hear him. Yes, Gidado. I can't hear him. He's talking.
NICN/SK.
Yes.
/SK/16/2019. Attorney Alpha Jonah and 3 others. MP.
I can't hear you, Gidado. Who are the parties in court?
Yes, my lord. Third and fourth claimants in court, my lord. Third and fourth claimants are in court. Third and fourth claimants are in court.
How about the defendants?
The defendant, my lord, he brought an application today. The application is here before the court. He now brought it in the court. He sent one of his bill for adjournment. He seek for an adjournment, application for adjournment.
Yes, let me take appearance. Defendant absent. Yes, appearance. Appearance, please. I can't see me here. Yes, what's the name?
NN Anaka. NN Anaka appearing with H. Bamiyi. For the claimants.
Appearing with who?
H.A. Bamiyi.
Okay, Bamiyi.
For the claimants, yes.
Where is the Bamiyi? Where is he?
Here, my lord.
Yes. Defendant counsel.
Obviously, my lord, the defendant counsel is not in court. According to the register, he has sent in a letter for adjournment. And we are conceding to it.
All right. Yes, Gidado.
Gidado, take.
Yes, can I have the date on that letter?
The date, they filed it today, my lord.
The date that the letter was written.
Yes, my lord. They wrote it today. It's today's date, 9 February.
Right, thank you. Give me a date. Yes, Sanaka, 10th of May. And the other matters for hearing. For what? So why are you putting the same? 10th of May or 11th? We have two matters for definite hearing. So why are you putting these two for 10th? How about 11th?
11th May is coming.
Thank you. Here you can see how the network is. This is further adjourned to 11th day of May 2023 for continuation of hearing. Hearing notice shall be issued and served on defendant's counsel.
Ask what, please. Ask what, please.
Yes, call the next case, Gidado.
NXBN
SK/NICN/2019. Honorable Bello Abdullahi by Zamfara State Government for continuation of trial.
Notice. Do we have any of the parties in court?
Parties, after my lord.
Or online?
The council are in court, but the parties are absent.
Counsel in court, please announce your appearance. Mustafa who?
Mustafa Rabi Umaru.
Okay.
Holding brief for Barrister Siraj Garba. Appearance for claimant.
You are holding the brief of who, please?
Barrister Siraj Garba. Holding brief.
Siraj Garba.
Appearance for the claimant.
Defendant's counsel.
Afterwards, immunity, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
For the defendant. My lord, M.S. Suleiman.
Yes.
Which means M.S. Abdullahi.
Yes.
Abdullahi.
For defendants.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, counsel.
Yes, my lord. The matter says for continuation of hearing.
Yes.
Yes, until that we want. Our feedback because not in the court matters.
Yes.
I am sorry coming to court today, my lord. From Gusau or from his village.
You say he's coming from where?
From his village, my lord. Zamalo will humbly fly for and stand down, my lord, for an hour or 30 minutes, my lord.
Where is he coming from?
You say he's coming from where? From his village, my lord. This morning. For his village, my lord, this morning.
Okay. From his village, where? From which village? No village, no name.
From Gusau, so local command.
So you're asking for a stand down for 30 minutes or 1 hour?
Yes, my lord, for 30 minutes, my lord, 1 hour, my lord.
Yes, Suleiman. Suleiman.
My noble lord. My noble lord, to be at the safe side, it's better to attend the matter to another day.
We are not going to adjourn it. Let's give them that's 30 minutes.
The witness is coming from Gusau town, not any village, and he's going to go to this moment. So it's better to adjourn the matter to another date. We don't have to have and call me adjourn to what's the court of time. We take another day, your lordship, subject to your convenience.
We will stand the matter down for 30 minutes. Since we have a ruling for 12 o'clock, so we'll stand it down for 30 minutes. So the case is stood down for 12 o'clock. Kinado, are you online?
You are disturbing court.
Kinado, are you please? Are you online?
Yes, my lord.
Oh, Kinado, the case is stood down for 12 o'clock. The case is stood down for
2 o'clock, step down at 2 o'clock.
I said 12 o'clock, not 2 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Can you call him that it's 12 o'clock, not 2 o'clock?
Okay, 112. Now we are 12 anyway. Okay, 112. When you chop, stand down.
He's looking at me, but I can't hear him. Gidado.
My lord.
Call the next case.
Last case is SK04 2020. So the parties are not served with any hearing notice because our hearing, we don't have that for today, my lord.
Alhamdulillah da sauki ba da ubangiji karabi da lafiya. Ya hayu ya kai.
Is that Yusuf or who is that counsel there? Is it Yusuf or who? Please, can you respect the court and mute your system? And stop displaying yourself on the screen if your matter is not before me. You need to mute your system and respect the court, please. Please give me a date for definite hearing, 11th. Yes, Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
Of any hearing notice, the case is adjourned to 11th May.
11th May.
Yes, 11th May.
As court pleases, my lord.
So hearing notice is ordered to be issued and served on all parties, please.
Court pleases, my lord.
So the court will rise and resume back. I'll resume by 12 o'clock to deliver that ruling and take the one that was stood down equally. That's SK 18-2019. So we'll take it by 12 o'clock.
I've got this is my lord.
Thank you.